Alrighty, y'all, what's going on today? So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Physix Gear Sports Muscle Roller Stick. Essentially, I got this thing because, I wanted a good, pretty much inexpensive deep tissue massager. I do, lots of running, lots of hiking, lots of just like kind of high intensity sports. And so, I need a way to be able to recover faster when I'm done, and also just approach those sports in a safer way. So that's kind of why I got this thing, and I looked at many muscle roller sticks, and this is the one that I liked. Basically, the one thing that they really kind of push in terms of their marketing is the fact that this thing is pretty much unbreakable, which is very much true. If you look at just get a good feel of the build of it. In the middle, you have this really tough, almost like stainless steel core. I can't even bend it, even if I tried. Serious pressure on it. It's very, very, very sturdy. That being said, it's also really, really lightweight. It's something that I can easily pick up, take around with me. It's not a hassle to use. You have these molded rubber handles. These are really, really nice. They have these little nubs on them. They're probably they make them really good for grip. But the thing that they're also great for is you can use these on your muscles as well to hit certain pressure points if the red plastic parts aren't doing enough. That being said, you also then have these little thermoplastic rollers on here. These make it so you can pretty seamlessly roll across different muscles and get more of a massage the full way through. The great thing about the fact that it rolls is you really use it on any part of your body. I use it on my calves, my quads, I use it on my hamstrings. It really only takes a few minutes to get it going, or a few minutes to do it before you're pretty much ready to go. I've noticed that it's helped me to definitely recover much faster, as well as just enhance my blood circulation, just kind of get my blood going in the morning. This is especially true in the morning because if I'm deciding to go out for a run or deciding to go bike, I really need to get my muscles good and flowing. And so I think it's just it's so important to have that, and it's very, very easy to do by yourself, which is it's awesome. Stops spasms, stops cramps, stops a lot of things that I've kind of had issues with in the past. The cool thing is about this is that it does come with a little ebook guide. I feel like the thing is many people get these sorts of things and use them wrong, and I was definitely guilty of that. Not knowing exactly how to utilize this on different sorts of muscles, because all muscles are different and all body types are different, and you need to know where to look and where to massage. So I like that it comes complete with that. I love that all these little spindle coils right here, they all move individually, essentially allowing you to kind of break up the spinning parts into different groups, so that you can essentially target different muscles or different pieces of body tissue, even ones that are maybe a little bit smaller or maybe just not as prominent on your legs. And then lastly, I also love that they're very smooth rolling. They're very, very quiet. I definitely had one of these kinds of roller sticks before, and the biggest issue with it was that it squeaked a lot when I used it. It just, there's really no way. I mean, I guess you could maybe WD-40 it, but it was just the material that it was made out of just made a really nasty squeaking sound whenever I started to roll it, and so it just wasn't much fun to use. This one, it's pretty close to silent, and yeah, overall just a very, very simple device if you're looking to, I guess, get rid of certain soreness, cramps, muscle spasms, or just get ready for a workout. Again, this is the Physix Gear roller stick, muscle roller stick, and yeah, definitely check it out. Alrighty guys, take it easy.